In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Customers. This will open your customer list, where you can view all the customers connected to your Stripe account. From this list, select the customer you want to charge. Click on their name to open their profile page. On the customer profile, go to the upper right corner and click Create Payment. This will open the payment creation window, where you can enter the details for the manual charge. In the payment window, start by selecting the correct currency. For this example, choose USD, which is US dollar, from the currency drop-down menu. After that, move to the amount field and enter the amount you want to charge the customer. Make sure the amount is correct before moving forward. Next, choose the payment method you want to use for the charge. Stripe will show the available payment methods connected to that customer. Select the one you want to process the payment with. You will also have the option to enter a statement descriptor and a description for the payment. These fields are optional, but they can be helpful for record keeping and for showing a clear label on the customer's statement. If needed, enter the appropriate details here. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to review the payment details carefully. Confirm that the currency is set correctly, the amount is accurate, and the selected payment method is the one you want to charge. Reviewing these details before submission helps prevent mistakes. When you are ready, click Create Payment to submit the charge. Stripe will then begin processing the payment. Wait for the payment to finish processing. After the payment has been processed, return to the customer's profile page. Scroll to the Payments section to confirm that the new charge appears there. This allows you to verify that the manual payment was successfully created and recorded under that customer. That is the full process for manually charging a customer in Stripe. Follow these same steps anytime you need to create a manual payment from a customer profile in your dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.